Thank you, Ninjastar. Welcome to guys. Today, guys, we're going to be playing another episode of Dragon Ball Z Devoulution. Let's get right into it. So, let me turn down the music. Okay, so this is where we left off. A kamikaze Cyberman killed Yamcha. The remaining warriors are now facing the powerful Nappa, but battling seems desperate. Don't challenge me, Nappa. Don't challenge me, Nappa. Alright, here we go. So I have to speak in this voice because I've recorded my videos, and when I upload them, like, you guys can't hear me. Ah, dang it. Masenko ha! No. See, this is what we call strategy. This is what we call strategy, guys. Yes! Okay, sorry I paused the recording. I need to get something to eat. Okay, sorry, that was the last time we're gonna do that. Okay, anyway, during the battle, Chaozu, Tien, Shinhan, and Piccolo died. With the help of the Dragon Balls, Goku resurrected and joined the battle against Nappa. He doesn't want Gohan and Krillin to help him, as he is sure to win the fight. I'm definitely gonna win the fight. There we go. How many I've done? One. This is the second one. So the next two are the last ones. Kaioken! I love how, like, when you change it, like, your aura change. Dang it. ×4! Yeah, you guys remember that, don't you? You remember that. Don't tell me that you don't remember that. Yeah, alright. Well, I'm only in like 2 minutes of recording, so let's do 3 more. Let's do 5 each time. So let's see, that was the 3rd time, so still the next 2. Thanks. I forgot he can do that. Kamehameha! He ran right into that junk, bro. Dang, he literally just got me on the ground. He did that thing because he knew he could literally, like, repel the Destructo Disc. Oh. Alright, here it goes. There we go. Alright. This one is the last one we're gonna play. Do you guys think I rely on special moves too much? I forgot he could just dodge. Bam, he's dead. Alright. So let's do some side stories. Okay, so we finished those. Now let's do 4 each time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna stop on the 6th one. Okay, this is from the movie The World's Strongest. Kamehameha. Can't I, like... Yep. So you gotta wait till he catches you off the... Dang it. You gotta wait till, like, he gets off guard. Plus, like, I've seen, like, Goku use, like, the spirit bomb in some movies. And, have you guys ever heard of Team 4-Star? And, like, if he can use the spirit bomb, then doesn't that mean... If he can use the spirit bomb in these movies, then doesn't that mean he can, like, use the Kaioken Jung? So, I guess it's because, like, the propulsion of the Kamehameha. I mean, I'm just glad I'm done with one arc. Why, man? Great, I still got 4 to go. Can't they show any key or something? Dang, this is taking such a long time. Dang, he literally ran into that jump. Watch this, he can't get me from all the way up here. Yeah. Just get on the side, yeah. Uh-huh. Just need to grab a hanger. We'll give it back. It's fine, you can have it or something like... I won't... I'm hungry. Oh, shoot, I'm letting him... kill me. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Come on. Finally. I'm just gonna kill them with a spirit bomb. Shoot, I should have. I better switch up from Goku to Masenko. Nah. I get hungry. Die. Blasphemous, he's still alive. Come on, come on. Oh, psh. Kaioken times 2. Oh, dang it. That was just... Wait, watch this. I'm gonna psych him with the spirit. Well, I'm sus. Okay, watch this. Watch this, guys. Watch you guys. Watch this, guys. You'll see what I mean. You'll see what I mean. Kamehameha. Psych! Ha! Okay, this is the last one we're gonna play for today. Okay. Oh shoot! And it freaking... Blasphemous. It froze. He knew that he could repel. He knew that it could repel. I didn't know what to do. You know, it's weird how Yamcha's voice changed. In Teams 4-star, like, it literally went from all confident to all drowsy and junk. Why can't I turn into a grade 8 or something? Come on. Yada-da-da-da-da-da. Get wrecked on. No homo. Dang it. Yeah. Nope. Just challenged me already. His key charges by itself. It's probably because, like, he's a robot. Okay, I better wrap this up. Not the video, it's just... This'll finish him off. Finish him off with that! In the Team 4-star version, this was supposed to be a Christmas episode, but apparently Dragon Ball has no Christmas episodes because of how... Nope. Yeah. Whoosh. 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 That's how far I am. I can easily dodge that crap. Shoot, I shouldn't have done... Well, although I didn't dodge that, though. Because power levels are retarded. You still do have them. You guys just don't calculate them anymore. Okay, let me do Piccolo. I'm gonna try to do the special beam cannon. Special beam. Dang it. Special beam cannon. Finally, his name is Diaz. That sounds like a weird name. Come on, this is the last guy. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Freaking die. Just die. Just die. Just, come on, just got that much health left. Finally. Gosh, that took such a long time. Alright, we'll do this later. Now, let's do the verses. I want to play as Gogeta this time. Against Golden Frieza. But I think him is this way. I think he's this way. Not this one, but Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta against the Super Saiyan Gogeta or Super Saiyan Blue. Okay, here he is. I'm correct. He was this way? No, he was this way. He was this way. I was right. You have like vast key control, that's the point. Oh shoot, I forgot. Oh shoot, I forgot. I forgot that. What does like Gogeta have any like? Why can't I do like the Big Bang Kamehameha? Big Bang Kamehameha. Maybe I should have set the controls on that one. Okay, guys. Now let's do something. I want to do Goku's family versus Vegeta's family. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got Vegeta's first family versus Goku's first family. But anyway, here it goes. He can't go Super Saiyan Blue. I forgot to choose the Goku could go Super Saiyan Blue. But anyway, guys, I'm really adoring this game. But thank you for watching, and bye!